Integrated payments refer to a seamless amalgamation of payment processing within a company's software or application. By this fusion, payment processing becomes an integral part of the business process rather than an external, disjointed function. From the end user perspective, it translates to a swift, simple, and secure transaction experience. Now that we've defined integrated payments, let's delve into why they matter, how to incorporate them, and what to look for in a payment processing partner. Let's break down the key benefits of integrated payments further, beginning with your customers and then your software, highlighting the transformational impact it can have on your business. Benefits of integrated payments to your customers. Let's dive deeper into the numerous benefits integrated payments offer. One is streamlined payment operations. Integrated payments eliminate the need for manual data entry, which reduces errors and frees up staff time. It consolidates financial data in one place, simplifying reporting and analysis. Second is real-time updates. With integrated payments, transaction data is updated in real time. This helps you maintain accurate financial records and gives you a clear, up-to-date picture of your business's financial health. Third is centralized data. Centralized payment data allows for better tracking of customers' spending habits and patterns. This can provide valuable insights for a marketing and sales team, helping them make data-driven decisions. Fourth is simplified reconciliation. Integrated payments simplifies the reconciliation process. Since payment data is automatically linked to invoices and orders, it's easier to match payments with the corresponding transactions. Every modern-day vertical software company thrives on being user-centric and aims to offer a seamless experience for its customers. And at the epicenter of this user experience, often overlooked but extraordinarily critical, sits a vital component: integrated payments. In an era where a click or tap is all it takes to make a purchase, software companies must leverage integrated payments to drive revenue growth, increase profitability per customer, extend the lifetime value of their customer base, and ultimately boost their enterprise value. So here are the benefits to you as a software company when offering integrated payments to your customers. First up is revenue growth and profitability. Payment integrations can dramatically alter your company's revenue landscape by increasing the transaction volume and conversion rates. Second is increased transaction volume. By seamlessly integrating payments into your software, you remove hurdles that might otherwise discourage a potential sale. A streamlined, easy-to-use payment process encourages customers to make purchases more frequently, increasing your overall transaction volume. Moreover, features like subscription management, automatic renewals, which can be integral parts of a well-implemented payment solution, enable regular and consistent revenue streams. Next is improved conversion rates. As per a report by the Baymard Institute, approximately 70% of e-commerce carts are abandoned before purchase. The report cites a too complicated checkout process as one of the leading reasons for cart abandonment. Integrated payments simplifies this process, reducing the number of steps customers need to take to complete a purchase, thus lowering cart abandonment and improving conversion rates. Next is enhanced customer lifetime value. High customer acquisition costs make it crucial for businesses to retain their customers. Integrated payments boost customer loyalty by providing a seamless user experience, enhancing the overall customer lifetime value. Next is improved user experience. In this digital age, user experience is absolutely paramount. A single hiccup in the customer journey can be enough to drive customers to your competitors. Integrated payments ensure a smooth, fast, and secure checkout process, creating a positive user experience that encourages customers to return. And next up is increased customer retention. A study by Bain & Company shows that increasing customer retention rates by just 5% can increase profits by 25 to 95%. By improving the user experience, integrated payments increases customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to higher retention rates and consequently greater profits. So how do you implement integrated payments? The implementation of integrated payments should be carried out very strategically to ensure maximum benefit. Here are some things to consider. 1. Understand your customers. An in-depth understanding of your customers is the first step in implementing integrated payments. You need to understand their buying behavior, their preferred payment methods, and the potential hurdles they face during the checkout process. 2 is customizing your payment solution. Different businesses have different needs. An e-commerce store might benefit from one-click checkouts and saved payment details, while a SaaS business might need subscription management and automatic renewals. Therefore, it is essential to customize your payment solutions based on your business's model and your customers' needs. 3rd is providing a seamless onboarding process. A well-implemented onboarding process should feel like a natural part of your software, not an add-on. It's essential to ensure that the customer onboarding process doesn't disrupt the user experience. 4th is you need to ensure security. In an age of increasing cyber threats, ensuring the security of your customers' financial data is crucial. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS compliance, is a must for any business that handles card payments. It's essential to work with a payment processor that ensures PCI DSS compliance to protect your customers' data and your business's reputation. The next thing you need to consider is choosing the right payment processing partner. The choice of a payment processor can make a significant impact on the effectiveness of your integrated payment solution and strategy. Here are a few things you'll need to consider. 1, look for a proven track record. You need to seek out a payment processor with a proven track record of providing reliable and secure services. Check their customer testimonials, their case studies, and online reviews to get a sense of their industry reputation. Support for multiple payment methods. Your customers might prefer different payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and more. Your payment processor should support a wide range of payment methods to cater to all of your customers' preferences. Next is global reach. If you serve customers across the globe, you need a payment processor that supports multiple currencies and local payment methods. This feature will help you cater to a global audience and expand your business's reach. Next is scalability. Your payment processor should be able to scale with the needs of your business. As your business grows, your payment needs will inevitably change and increase. Your payment processor should be able to handle this growth without disruptions or significant increases in cost. Next is round-the-clock support. Issues with payment processing can occur at any time and lead to lost sales and dissatisfied customers. Therefore, it is essential to choose a payment processor that offers optimal support to quickly resolve any issues that might arise. So what does a customer-centric integrated payment strategy look like? As a vertical software company, your goal is to make life easier for your customers. Integrated payments not only streamline your internal operations, but they also cater to the increasing demand for a seamless and fast checkout experience. Here are some things to consider. 1, quick and hassle-free payments. Time is money, and in the digital age, speed is a defining factor in the consumer's experience. A swift checkout process is a key to making your customer's journey more enjoyable. By integrating the payment process into your software, you reduce the number of steps in the checkout process, leading to quicker transactions and a hassle-free experience for your customers. Number 2 is data security and trust. The payment process is one of the most sensitive parts of the customer journey. It involves the exchange of critical financial information, making it a prime target for cyber criminals. As per a survey by PwC, 47% of consumers say they'd stop buying from a business immediately after a security breach. Integrated payment systems not only ensure a fast checkout process, but also provide an extra layer of security to your customers' data. By choosing a PCI DSS compliant payment processor, you ensure the security of your customers' financial information, earning their trust and loyalty. Next, we're going to talk about the go-to-market strategy for your integrated payment solution. Successfully introducing integrated payments into your software involves more than just technical integration. It requires a well-planned out go-to-market strategy to educate your customers about the new feature and highlight its benefits. The first thing you need to do is educate your customers. The first step in your go-to-market strategy is always education about your new payment process and services. Use all your communication channels, including emails, social media, and your website to inform your customers about the benefits of an integrated payment solution over a non-integrated payment solution. The next thing you do is you need to offer incentives. Incentivizations are a good way to encourage your customers to try your new payment system. You can offer discounts or exclusive features for customers who use your new integrated payment solution. The strategy not only encourages the use of your new system, but also gives your customers a positive experience that can increase their loyalty. You always need to monitor and adjust. After introducing your integrated payment system, it's important to monitor its performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use your analytic tools to track key metrics like conversion rates, sales outputs, marketing effectiveness, transaction volume, and customer feedback. These insights can help you identify any issues and make necessary adjustments to optimize your payment process. So how do you make sure you're extracting the total value of your integrated payment strategy? Integrating payments into your software is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. To extract the total value of integrated payments, you need to continually monitor and improve your payment process. Here are the things that you need to think about. 1, regular updates. Like any other feature of your software, your payment process requires regular updates to ensure its functionality and security. Regularly update your payment process to include new payment methods, to improve security, and enhance the user experience. Ongoing customer support. A robust customer support system is essential to resolve any issues your customers might face during the payment process. Offer multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and phone, to make it easier for your customers to reach out for help. Constant improvement. Use your analytics and data and customer feedback to constantly improve your integrated payment solution. Regularly improvements based on your customers' needs and preferences will ensure your integrated solution remains modern. Integrated payments can be a significant game changer for your business. By providing a seamless and secure payment experience, you not only increase your revenue and profitability, but you also boost your customer retention and lifetime value. However, the implementation of integrated payments requires strategic planning and a customer-centric approach. Choosing the right payment processor, implementing a robust go-to-market strategy, and maintaining a continuous improvement process are critical steps in successfully integrating payments into your software and maximizing its benefit. Next, embracing the future with integrated payments. Integrated payments are not just a trend, but the future of commerce. As more software businesses digitize their operations, the demand for integrated payments will continue to grow. By embracing integrated payments, you place your software at the forefront of this digital revolution. You need to stay ahead of the competition. In today's fiercely competitive market, businesses are always looking for ways to gain an edge over their competitors. By integrating payments into your software, you offer a service that not all of your competitors may provide. This feature can be a significant differentiator, setting your software apart from the competition. You need to cater to the next gen customers. Millennials and Gen Z, who make up a considerable part of the consumer market, are extremely tech savvy and prefer businesses that provide digital convenience. A report by Afterpay revealed that 63% of millennials and Gen Z shoppers will not shop at retailers that do not have an online and mobile presence. Integrated payments caters to these digital preferences, positioning your software as a preferred choice for the next gen consumer. Integrated payments can be a powerful tool for vertical software companies, driving revenue growth, increasing profitability, and enhancing customer value. They streamline your internal operations, provide a superior user experience, and position your software for future success. However, to realize these benefits, integrated payments must be implemented strategically. It's crucial to understand your customers, customize your payment solutions, ensure seamless integration, and prioritize data security. Choosing the right payment processor is also key to a successful implementation. Once implemented, you need a robust go-to-market strategy to promote your new feature and encourage its adoption. Remember, implementing integrated payments is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires regular updates, ongoing customer support, and constant improvement. By understanding and implementing integrated payments effectively, you can unlock a world of opportunities, taking your software to new heights and shaping the future of digital commerce. For more tips and insights to elevate your integrated payment strategy, visit us at next.io.